You can't love fish and don't love salmon fish. This animal-based protein is not only delicious and healthy, but packed with so many nutrients like omega-3.
It has an incredible impact on increasing brain health. It is also very rich in several vitamins and minerals that support overall health. You can Google for more research. Hello and welcome back again to Bromeo Molola and Family's channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make this very delicious, massive and healthy salmon fish recipe. Please stay tuned and enjoy the process. And don't you forget to like this video, share to your loved ones, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. And don't you forget also to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this family. And to our returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. You're welcome once again. We love you, but God loves you more. When it comes to the kinds or types of seasonings needed when marinating your fish, I think there is no limit to how many spices, seasonings and herbs one must use as far as you are moderately using them. Make sure to properly clean the fish, gently pat dry with some kitchen paper roll to remove excess water from the fish. This method right here is called slicing or slashing. So basically, slicing through the skin and flesh of a whole fish before cooking helps the heat of a grill, oven, etc. to fully enter the fish more easily, therefore allowing the fish to cook evenly. So next time you are cooking a whole fish, please don't forget to slash or slice the skin, because it also allows for your seasonings to penetrate the fish evenly. It makes it a little easier for you to see that, oh, the fish is cooked, it's done, it's ready. After slicing and slashing the fish, now it is time to marinate the fish. So make sure to season with salt, seasoning powder, curry powder, fish seasonings, hot barbecue powder, paprika peppers, Italian mixed seasonings, bell peppers and parsley are optional, okay? So you can use also your favorite herbs and spices. You have to take your time to evenly massage the seasonings, the herbs, the spices in the fish, okay, before marinating.
If you have watched this video up to this very moment, thank you so much. Please don't forget to leave your comment below in the comment section, and please don't forget to also like this video, and also don't forget to share, okay? Thank you so much, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so because some fish taste too fishy or it has this briny flavor, some of these briny flavors are always present in seafood. So that is why lemons are needed to in the flavors, and also works well to counter many of the briny flavors present in seafood.
We marinated this fish overnight, preferably how long you want to marinate it, depending on your choice. But I would suggest you do this overnight so that all the flavors, the seasonings, the spices, the herbs can be inserted fully into the fish before cooking, okay? Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius before grilling. I hear some people say if you want a buttery, very ovenly fresh, tender piece of fish, you must wrap it in a foiled paper, and that the fish will have this very impressive look. Okay, now, I am not against that. Even sometimes I do that myself. Just look at that. Done without the foil, and this came out looking and tasting so delicious. 30 to 45 minutes is okay for the cooking process, but if you want a very crispy, you can leave it for more. If you don't like it like that, you can leave it for less, okay? So depending on what you want, all right?
I would like to share this word with someone. If you go to 1 John 4 verse 16, it says, "So we have come to know and to believe the love that God has for us. God is love, and whoever abides in love abides in God, and God abides in him." So one way to know that God abides in a man is when the love of God abides in him. These two have to work together. You can't say you love God and then you don't have the love for your brother. It means you don't even love God at all. So I pray for someone today that the love of God will fill your heart. It will fill your spirit, soul, and body. The love of God shall flow out of your belly, rivers of living water. If you watch this video up to this very end, wow, thank you so much for staying tuned. We really appreciate your time, okay? Thank you so much. And don't you forget, this is Bumi Omolola and Family's channel. We are so happy to see your comment. So please leave your comment below in the comment section. Don't you forget to like this video, share, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye bye.